I'm sure you've heard the news. Sneezing animals are the new comedy gold. Let's dive into the sneezy chaos. From dogs doing the sneezy shuffle to birds with unexpected achoo explosions, we've got it all. Oh, and don't even get me started on the goats. Their sneezes are a whole mood, laughs. These furry and feathered friends can't hold back their sneezes, and honestly we're all grateful for it. Sneezing pandas? Check. Sneezing bunnies? Double check. It's a laugh riot you won't want to miss. So if you love animals and a good belly laugh, hit that subscribe button. Join the adorable Animal Antics family for more giggle-worthy moments. Trust me, your funny bone will thank you. See you on the sneeze side.